Take the correct option. Which of these is not a natural fiber? And the correct answer is nylon. Which of the following is obtained from the hair of an animal? Wool. Which of these is not an animal fiber? Cotton. Which animal is the source of wool? Sheep. Which of the following is eaten by the silkworm to grow? Mulberry leaves. Fresh berry leaves. The process of cutting wool of sheep is called shearing. A fabric that burns with the smell of burning hair. Wool. Which of the following fiber is a good insulator? Wool. The term which is not involved with sericulture? Carding. Which of these are removed by scouring process during wool production? Grease, dust and dirt. From which of the following is silk removed? Cocoon. Fill in the blanks. Wool is obtained from the fleece. Fleece. Fleece of the sheep or goat. The wool is generally white in color. WHITE, white in color. Silkworm is fed on mulberry leaves. MULBRY, mulberry leaves. The shearing is usually done in summer. SUMMER, summer. Wool is obtained from the fleece. FLEECA, of the domesticated sheep. The scientific name of silk moth is Bombyx, BOMBYX, Bombyx moriworm. Wool has a high, HIGH, high. The dried perspiration of sheep is called carding, CARDING. The low-grade silk is obtained from the filament of wild cocoon. Wild. True and false. The fleece obtained from the Angora goat is of low quality. False. Sericulture is the science of raising silkworm, so it obtained. True. Sheep are herbivores. True. Yolk is preparation of the sheep in raw wool. True. Web is a thin film of wool. Out of the rolling is machine. True. Silk is known as the queen of fiber. True. Munga is a domesticated variety of silk. False. Wool is obtained only from sheep. False. Silk fiber is obtained from the egg of the silk moth. False. Shady fabrics are made from the best variety of wool. False. Match the following: silkworm, Bombyx moriworm, rayon, synthetic fiber, seed fiber, cotton, mohair, artificial Angora goat, polyester, artificial silk. And answer the following question. Define wool. Name 4 wool yielding animals. Define wool. And the answer is Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat. It also obtained from the hair of rabbit, camel and yak. The fleece of hair or hairs are covered with the body trap in air and keep them animals warm. And the second answer, mention the properties of a wool, a good fiber to use. And the properties of the wool is, properties of wool, it has a high tensile strength and elasticity. It is lightweight and can be easily dyed. Wool is the poorest conductor of heat.